Hey there. Like I said in the last video, I'm back with the full portion of what I caught during Blueface's late night live last night. He went live from his Emilf music page, where he claimed he was auditioning for said record label. He specifically wanted mothers auditioning because he said he needs someone with something to lose.
I just want to say you're hella wrong to Krishana. Like, that, you're hella wrong for what you do to. You looking like. You like, what the fuck? Why you knock her out like that?
Wait, say
Why
her
you
name
do
again.
her like that? She hella fine and all this shit. Like,
Say her name again.
you said what?
Say her name again.
Krishan.
You said what I do to her?
Not Stewie. Right. Not Stewie. We're not giving a fuck about your other baby mama.
You said what I do to her?
She look like she's still. I said, why you do her wrong like that?
Like what?
Like how you doing her? You be doing Krishan wrong.
Let me see all y'all on the camera. Y'all back up a little bit. Man, whoever y'all is with is doing y'all hella wrong.
Hell.
Don't skill y'all create. They're doing y'all hella wrong. Whoever's in charge of that situation over there. On the dead homies. Who's ever in charge? With that kid. Come on, kid. That was hella awkward. Okay, guys, let's get freaky on here. Where the fuck are the real people at?
I'm not waiting to get at it. I seen you and Krishan at the pub. Do you remember me asking you to get on your show?
Hell no, BD.
What?
No, what's up? You from Vegas though?
No,
That's what you were saying?
from Oakland, but I was in Vegas. I live in Vegas.
Oh, okay, you rap?
No, I'm on with the other girl. I want you to make my music.
You want me to make your music?
Yes, I want you to make my music.
How old are you?
Oh my gosh. What do you mean clear her? Don't tell me to clear me. I'm 22 years old.
Okay.
Don't clear me. You about to clear me, huh?
You fucking up the vibes, cuz. Like, you bitches is weird, cuz. I don't crit. That bitches is killing my vibe. I was laughing. Now I'm just fucking irritated. Do better, guys. Do fucking better. This is enough music. Remember that. Hey, what's happening?
Off the Henny. Hey, Blue, you gotta come to our club. Look it. It's kind of cracking. I'm inside though. I was watching your live. Look.
Get my live canceled, girl. Shit. Fuck. Why the fuck is she just ready to show us the whole fucking strip club? Like, what the hell? The kids on here.
Damn, I didn't think you was gonna add me. I'm gonna just rap real quick since that's what you asking for. I'll spit a bar from one of my songs real quick. While I roll this blunt. All right, so I put the T in toxic. Ain't no loving, we rocking. Catching feelings, then stop it. Can't put no trust in no thought, bitch.
Shut the fuck up. Damn. Bro, alright, alright. This is MILF music, guys. This is MILF music. Please. This is not Blueface. Just having a good fucking time. Don't go on my fucking real Instagram talking shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck with this shit. Be a nice guy if you guys give me a chance. That's all I need is a chance. Let me find out y'all shy, freezing up. Okay.
Oh shit. So sorry, Blue.
What? Y'all crazy.
Catch on.
Hi. Oh my god.
Hey, what's happening?
Hi. I don't rap, but I could do anything else for you.
Blueface, Blueface, I just want to suck your dick.
What'd you say?
Oh, fuck. Hold on.
I just want to suck your dick.
Oh, hell no. What the fuck was that, guy? No. All right, my bad about that. I don't know what was going on there. What'd you say?
Hey. Hi. I'm Deja.
Deja, how are you doing, Deja? You said you don't rap?
No, I don't. I could try. I mean, I could start for you.
What you do?
Blue girls.
OF. OF, yeah. OF when I dance. Shit.
Can you do a backflip?
Yeah.
Let me see you do a backflip.
No. you can embarrass me. It's okay. I'm afraid to fuck up.
Okay.
What's up with you? What are you doing? Where are you at?
You know, I'm just chilling at my pad, just vibing out.
What you got going on? You searching for what? For some more artists or something?
Yeah, do you have kids?
Hell no. I'm 19. What the hell?
How the fuck you gonna join MILF music with no kids? The fuck is wrong with y'all, kids? Great. No kids, no deal, bitch. Cause I'm doing this for the kids. No kids, no deal. It's just the way it is. All you single bitches y'all already got all the deals y'all want. Y'all can go suck as many cocks as you want with no repercussions. So I need a bitch with something to lose, damn it. Shit. This shit is so stressful.
Yo, what's up? They playing on here, so I'm finna get my shit out the way. Like, watch me pull up in the range. Yeah, I do my own thing. Cause bitch, I'm a monster, potty animal, but responsible. Side patch you don't really want. This King Kong, I'm a conquer ape shit. I'ma stomp you up my chest.
Fuck, that's good stuff. See, I need more of that. Just get on here and start fucking rapping. Oh my goodness. Can we keep that going? Like, don't get on here and fuck around. This is fucking show business, alright? Get 5 seconds. Quit. This shit is stressful though, like picking people. Quit.
What's up, Blueface? Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways. Ice cream dripping, swag in the freezer. I'm so cold, I make you shake like a seizure. I'm sharper than the sword that killed Julius Caesar. Bow down to greatness, I'm working hard to make it. I'm building up my motherships and leaving it a spaceship. Talk behind my back.
Oh my god, I fuck with y'all. I fuck with y'all. Hey, on crib, everybody that joined my life, I really fuck with y'all. Like, this is MILF music. Please don't take this shit to Blueface page. This is real MILF music shit going on. Like, the fans will let me know who really, like, just stuck with him. Like, they'll DM me and shit, like. Just fuck with it. Fuck with it, girl. My head up. Hold on, cuz I need a snack. Get a snack real quick. There's serious shit going on in here, y'all. Like, come on, girl. Who wanna sign them up music, Cal? Hold on, Cal. Come on, Cal. Fuck around, man. I'm gonna bring you to the house, girl. You sign that deal, girl, you coming straight to the crib. Shit. You gonna stay at Blue's Palace. Hey, don't worry about my fucking pantry, bitch, alright? Fuck worry about what's in the pantry and shit. Fuck.
What?
What's happening? Hey. Wow. I made her nervous. Hey, don't worry about what's in my fucking pantry, bitch, y'all. Yeah. I always worry about the wrong shit. Worry about what's in the nigga pantry. What type of nosy ass shit is that? That's like me asking, like, bitch, what's in your dirty clothes hamper? Like, I'd be like, nigga, weird ass nigga, what the fuck you wanna know some more? Oh, fuck, you bitches is reverse canceling me now. I get it. Fuck. Y'all reverse canceling me.
Hello?
Hey, bitch, make call y'all.
Can't see that video be shaking like ass.
Blueface, baby. Why go on, Blueface? What's up? Holy.
I'm gonna get me fucking banned off this shit. Fuck. Y'all wanna send me y'all booty shaking? I gotta send that to a Blueface page. Like, I don't do that on Milk Music, cuz. Don't get me banned. I ain't getting banned for them little buns. The motherfuckers was West Side though. The motherfuckers was West Side though. Hell. Hold on, I'm getting off topic. Hold on, child. I got me in here turning down booty cheeks. Hold on, girl. It's getting stressful. Can't be on here turning down those, kid. Like, ooh, it's hard being the boss. They gotta turn down those over here, kid. Fuck it.
Hello. Yo, Blueface. What's up, yo?
What's happening?
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Where Jaden and the kids? They sleeping?
No, they're all out. I'm just home by myself right now.
Yo, like not to bring this up or nothing, but I know Krishan, your son, and her peoples, right?
What the fuck? I bet you not to bring this up, but I'm gonna bring it up anyway. Well, fuck you. Oh fuck. That was funny. This shit is getting stressful. It's really killing my fucking heart. The hard part is choosing people. I'm gonna start picking motherfuckers with my eyes closed, yeah.
Please get on the line.
You know what?
Somebody get on the line with him.
Yeah, tell your nigga you getting on live
All
with
right, come on,
yeah,
get up.
the one and only. Walk out the room.
Wait, what? Come on. He answered.
Tell him you're on live with the one and only. You finna walk out the room, girl.
Is this little? It is. Put your brain up. Oh my God. Blueface, I have a beef.
What's up, guys?
You hear me?
Yeah, what's the rapper? Who the rapper?
What you mean, who's the rapper?
This is MILF Music. This is like auditions.
I don't know how to rap. You want to teach me?
Yeah.
Okay, so teach me how to rap.
Just say what I
Why
say.
is the brightness not like? Hold on. We gonna rap slow. Okay, go ahead.
Just say what I say.
Wait, how you do it?
Repeat after me.
Okay, so teach me. Say something.
Blueface, baby. Yeah, alright.
Blueface, baby. Alright. What happened?
I'm every woman's fantasy.
I'm everyone's fantasy.
Mama always told me I was gonna break hearts. I guess her fault. Stupid to be mad at me.
Wait, nah, hold on. That was too fast for me.
So little Ethiopian looking ass, Somalian looking ass. All right, now I'm finna chill. Let me chill. I'm not gonna end the fucking live, yo. I don't give a fuck. This is MILF Music. What's happening with you guys, though? Are you guys as fucking bored as I am? Must be. Jay, the new song gonna drop on Monday, y'all. This shit is coming. So, just wait on it. I'm high as a motherfucker. Shit is stressful. I'm not tired. No, I'm not tired. I'm not tired at all. Oh, fuck. I'm not tired. I'm not fucking tired. I'm wide fucking awake. I'm not tired at all. Oh, fuck. I'm not tired.